Welcome to Jack to Jeep. So I'm going to be doing my 13th vlog for my channel. Let me turn this air down. But before I get going on this too far, if you're on your cell phone and you're driving, get the hell off of it. It's ridiculous. I almost got my ass run over just now by some lady backing up, talked on her phone, then she had enough gall to roll the window down and yell at me, and while she's still on her phone. I wish I could have shoved it where the sun don't shine, but you know how it is. So with that being said, if you know me, I normally don't cuss, I normally don't do those things, but God, I got some attitude going. You know what I mean? Got some energy. Woo! Anyway, you guys are going to be seeing some new stuff from me on Jack to Jeep. I encourage you guys to share it with your friends. Help me grow this channel. I was going to put out a video on my GoPros on how it sounded, and I tested them, and truly it was a crap video. I didn't want to do it. So with that being said, I want to just tell you what sounded the best between the original cubed Hero, the Hero Plus, my silver and black, two of them, Hero 7s, and then my Hero 8 that I got that I don't have. I'm using my phone right now. And actually it was split between the original Hero and the Hero 8. So I decided what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually go ahead and start using the Hero 8 coming up. It's at home charging now because my daughter's been swimming a lot, and I've been videoing her and stuff with it. So, but the Hero 8, I'm going to use it more because it has the better stabilization rather than the original Hero. So that was the winner of the sound check thing. I don't know what's going on with my GoPro adapter. It didn't work on my Hero 7 Black, so I got to figure out what the hell's going on with that. And with that being said, we're going to be doing a facelift on Jack to Jeep with my Jeep, with some decals, some stickers, some things like that. I want to give a quick shout out while I'm doing this quick vlog to AeroTag. This AeroTag air freshener, I normally have it up here hanging from my mirror. This thing is amazing. I filled it 3 months ago. I had to actually go back on my YouTube channel, check out when I did the original video, and it was 3 months ago that I filled this. And I actually put the little clip keychain. I put this around it just because that string, when you soak it, it did, that kind of got brittle. So I put that keychain thing around it to where it's easier to use. Sorry, I'm driving. I want to be safe. I don't want to be a hypocrite. But like I said, that crack lady almost hit me, and it pissed me off. So again, you guys are going to see a little bit more attitude with me, a little bit more of me. I'm kind of a crazy person, a little loud, a little obnoxious, sometimes pretty obnoxious, and I can be a little off tilt. So, and kilt. Hell, I have a kilt too, so I can wear that one of these days. Anyway, Jack to Jeep. My daughter's birthday was a little over a week ago, and we took her to this place in Wyoming, in Cheyenne, Wyoming, called Graffitos. And at Graffitos, they have this really cool, you can go in and you paint pottery. So I'm gonna, before I publish this and put it out there, I'm gonna insert a picture of my original picture. But then as I come to a stop sign, I'll show you guys this. Here's the handle, has a little Jack to Jeep logo, and then my Jeep mug. So I'm going to insert a picture of what I took this off of. It turned out pretty cool. I'm pretty excited. Again, this channel isn't just about my Jeep. It's anything, you know, four-wheeling related. I try to do a lot more of that, probably 90-95% of it. So if you ever have anything like that and you want to, you know, post it up or anything, send it to me. jacktojeep@yahoo.com. Anyway, what else? So yeah, I'm going to be doing a facelift on my Jeep. I'm going to be taking some decals off, some other things, and be putting some new stickers on my Jeep, man. Yeah, man. So I encourage you to check that out. That should be fun. That'll be neat. What else? I knew I had one more thing. So I actually went to my local off-roading place and put $1,200 down on my new gears. So what we're going to be going with is, I decided to go with 488s, and the reason why is I'm never, you know, I probably should never say never, but as long as this is my daily driver, I'm never going to go to 37s. So I wanted to have something that would give me a little bit more oomph on the road, and I think the 488s will do so. I'm hoping that I can get them done over spring break. That way, when I'm in Texas chilling there, I can my Jeep can be getting worked on, and when I get back, it'd be good to go. So, I wanted to show you guys my hoodie. Check it out. It's a melting Jeep. If you look under my hood here, I can't show it to you. I'm driving, but it says Task Force Off-Road. It's another YouTuber. I want it off of his channel. I'm gonna go ahead and put a link up here for it. Encourage you guys to check out his channel. He's building some cool things, working on his Jeep like I did. Go ahead and give him some love, give him some support. It's gonna get loud, so I'm gonna start talking a little bit more because I have my soft top on. But anyway, Task Force Off-Road, melting Jeep. His logo, or his name of it's behind the hood underneath it. I would definitely move that if I was him. Nonetheless, his channel, his monkey, his circus kind of thing. So, I hope you guys enjoy the channel. Please keep watching, share it, whatever. Again, click subscribe. Make sure you mash that bell. That way you can be notified of anything that's coming up, any new stuff that I'm doing. I'm going to actually be working on some more with the channel. I put together a planner, so there'll be a lot more coming out. Hope you guys enjoy the day. Leave it better than you found it. Thanks again for watching Jack to Jeep.